Makita offers an impressive range of drills that are highly regarded for their competitive performance and excellent durability. Makita has been making tools that are consistently high quality and reliable. There are many products available to choose the best Makita drills, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita PH07Z Cordless Hammer Driver Drill. Combining power, control, and cutting-edge features, the Makita PH07Z is our favorite Makita hammer drill. It's completely cordless, providing you with ultimate freedom. Better yet, this drill is built with brushless motors that are more efficient and longer lasting than traditional brushed motors. But those brushless motors are more than just efficient, they're also very powerful. To efficiently use all that power, there's a built-in handle that rotates to either side of the drill so you can find the perfect position for plenty of leverage. The all-metal chuck is a 1/2 inch for fitting large bits. The only downside is that no battery is included, and the whole package is a bit pricey when you factor in the cost of the battery. Number 2. Makita FD09R112VMAX CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless. Cordless 12V drill drivers lack the outright power of their 18V counterparts and are often seen as the best drill for home use. In this category, the Makita 12V CXT has just the right balance of weight and performance. Somewhat surprisingly, at just 7 inches long, it is actually 1/4 inch bigger than the more powerful 18V model. However, it is no larger than most competitors. The brushless motor provides 2 speed ranges that are only slightly slower than the 18V Makita and perfect for household tasks. The 20-position clutch offers good versatility for driving. And LED work light is built in. With battery, rapid charger, and a hard case included, it adds up to a high-value package that is difficult to fault. Number 3. Makita DS4012 Spade Handle Drill. Makita makes drills for many tasks, like the DS4012 Spade Handle Drill, that's perfect for mixing up a variety of materials like thin set, drywall mud, or concrete. It's got a large D handle on the back that spins 360 degrees, allowing you to find the perfect placement for optimal leverage and comfort. This is a pretty large tool, but at just 6.2 pounds, it's lighter than you might think from looking at it. This drill is good for more than just mixing. However, with a max speed of 600 RPM, it's not the best choice for drilling most holes. It's also always tied to a power cord, limiting your mobility. But if you tried mixing concrete with a regular hammer drill, you'd likely burn it up pretty quickly. So, for mixing purposes, the DS4012 is the clear choice. Number 4. Makita DF01 2DSE7.2V Lithium-Ion Cordless. While 1/2 inch Makita drill drivers offer plenty of versatility, there are times a more compact and lightweight tool has advantages. The 1/4 inch Makita drill driver is perfect for many furniture assembly jobs, for example, or when maximum control is needed for drilling with smaller bits. This has an unusual auto-stop feature, shutting off the drive when the desired torque setting is reached. The LED light also has an off switch to conserve battery power when it isn't needed. The chuck is a slot-in hexagonal model. It makes for very rapid changes, but means only hex bits can be used. Additionally, although battery, charger, and case are included, the price may be beyond what many home users are prepared to pay. Number 5. Makita HP2050 Hammer Drill. It's pretty rare that we're truly disappointed with a Makita tool, but the HP2050 Hammer Drill is one tool that we'd never recommend. It's not a complete failure, with a handle that swivels 360 degrees for optimal placement and a recessed lock-on button for reduced fatigue when drilling deep holes. But overall, there were too many flaws to overlook. To start, this drill is pretty underpowered compared to other Makita hammer drills. The 6.6 amp motor isn't as big as the motors in other hammer drills, and it feels weak when you use it. Even when we wrenched it down with the included key, the chuck never stayed tight and continuously dropped our bits. With so many glaring flaws, we can't recommend this hammer drill. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.